Okay, here's a quick demo of the part 2-2 of the tutorial, just to make sure it works and to show how it works. So here I've got the tutorial board with the Teensy, and I've on the screen, hopefully this comes through in the video, I've already copied the design tool drawing into the code. So let's just upload this to the Teensy here. Hopefully the sound is making it into the video. You can hear it playing on a speaker. We should be hearing both songs. So now the part that was in a question on the forum is, how does this fader part work? So let's uncomment this code and upload it again. Now, hopefully the sound is coming through. If I turn this knob, there's one song. If I turn it the other way, we hear both songs. There's all the way to the other direction. So let me rotate it back and forth. Hopefully this all can be seen in the video. Let's rotate it back. So this is what it's supposed to do when it's working. Hopefully, let me turn down the volume on the speaker over here. So this is what it's supposed to do when it works. Hopefully this video helps. This is the this code is in here, and I am testing with the latest version, beta version 1.53 beta 3, which actually isn't real on the website yet, but this is the very latest code as of today. And here it is. Let me turn the speaker back up. I'll do a little louder this time. Hopefully it's a little... If it wasn't audible before, hopefully this louder sound will come through in the video. That's it for the demo. Hopefully this shows how it really is working.